There's a good girl. You soaking wet, girl. There's a good girl. Afternoon, everybody. As y'all can tell, it is a wet, rainy, nasty day, and it's been that way for about 2 days. This is really the first chance I've got to get out in the last 2 days. While I've been cooped up, I've been going through some of the old videos, watching and reliving some of those hunts that I hadn't seen in years. So I thought I'd share some of that stuff with y'all. I think I'll call the series Remembering When. And on this very first hunt that I'm gonna share with you, it's probably over 10 years old. It's a hunt that Carrie Wayne and I did together, and it shows you just how effective diaphragm howling can be and just how quick a coyote can show up on howls alone. So y'all check it out. I hope you enjoy it. Along with these old hunts, we will continue to show you new hunts every week. I've probably got at least 200 different kills to edit and get loaded up. And we'll also continue to show you the live coyote behavior stuff. Got a bunch more of that stuff coming your way. So as always, appreciate y'all checking out our stuff, and I hope you enjoy some of these old hunts that we're going to start sharing with y'all, hopefully on a weekly basis. So y'all let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you want to see these old hunts, what you think about them, and appreciate y'all watching. That didn't take too long.
That sucker come out of there fast.
Here's the deal this morning. We got up about an hour before daylight, made us a few rounds, and located these coyotes in this pine thicket this morning. Really terrible spot to try to hunt because it's so thick. We didn't have anything for options. And other than this old logging road. So that's what we tried. It worked out. We knew these coyotes were right here. It's a growed up clear cut right here on the edge of this plantation. We knew they were right there by it on this edge. We'd never been in here before, and I thought we might be too deep, but it worked out perfect. The coyote come up the edge. We gave them a couple howls on the MFK pup howler, pulled him right out. Good looking coyote. And talk about thickets. This is Arkansas thicket we hunting in right here. You can see in this road and nowhere else. But, we still got time to make 1 or 2 more stands. Kerry Wayne's been stacking them up with the 22-250, so we'll let him keep shooting. I'll do a little calling, see if we can get another one.
MFK.
All day. Talk about a thicket. That's what we're calling these coyotes up in. Stuff looks like that. It's like a wall. Can't see in it, can't walk in it. You got to get them close. And if you need to get them close, MFK game calls. They do what they're supposed to. Get them in close, and they made for killing.